Hello friends, welcome back. Now we have our template set. Now we can start with methods for handle changes and events. So first we will do for handle change. So here I will write handle change, which is equal to an arrow function, and here we will pass values, and then we will set state. So this dot set state, and inside this we will take values from our input and change it with the state. So first one is username. So username, which is equal to values dot username. Then email. So values dot email. Then we have password, values dot password. Then confirm password, which is equal to values dot confirm password. Okay, let's save this. And then in our form, we need to call them here. Okay, so this is the set of object that will be called in our form. So here we need to write values and then handle change. So this comes from Formic API. There are a lot of attributes that you can choose from. We will see more for the validation method, but for now this is one which we are using. So now in the input we will write onChange event. So onChange, sorry, here we will write onChange, which is equal to handle change. Okay, then we will pass the value. So value, which is equal to values dot user name. Okay, so now let's copy this and we will paste it in all the inputs. So so this is email. So email for password, confirm password. Okay, let's save this. So we have added the handle change method, and we have also passed the values, okay, for the input. And in the next lecture, we will check more attributes and method to apply in our form with our Formic API. So if you like the video, please like, share, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.